Hi everyone, let's take a look at exercise 14-11 and exercise 14-12, which deal with accounting for installment notes and demonstrating the entries related to them. Okay, on January 1st of 2005, Perez borrows $25,000 cash by signing a 4-year, 7% installment note that requires annual payments of accrued interest and equal amounts of principal on December 31st of each year from 2005 and 2008. And we're asked to determine how much principal is included in each of these 4 annual payments, and then prepare an amortization table for the installment note, similar to the one shown in Exhibit 14.15. Okay, well, let's go right here and determine what that amount of the annual payment would be. Well, it's $25,000 divided by 4 payments. So the principal amount we will be paying off each period is $6,250. Now let me format this, and I'll just make these to whole dollars for the purpose of this example. Okay, so we start off with a beginning balance of $25,000, and then we need to calculate the interest expense on it. By the way, the 6250 answers the first requirement. Now, to calculate interest expense, we take the $25,000 times the rate given in the problem, which is 7%, and since it's on an annual basis, there's no other adjustments we need to make to that interest amount. That calculates $1,750. The notes payable is $6,000, which means the cash payment we have to pay is equal to the principal plus the interest. Okay? And then we only back off the principal portion. So we have a beginning balance of $25,000, which is all principal, and then we subtract off the principal portion to compute what we need next. Now, then we start 2006. We just drop this right here, and we recalculate the interest expense. The payment is always the same, so why don't we just drop these right like that? We can simply copy this down. Okay, we'll see that this is all just, if you will, basic math. And once we've laid out everything where it needs to be, the amortization expense will compute just as it wants. So in the second year, we have a beginning balance. We calculate the interest by taking it times 7%. The notes payable we calculate from that period above. It remains constant over the 4 years. The cash payment is equal to the interest plus the notes payable. The ending balance is equal to the beginning principal balance less the amount of principal we paid off. And so forth until we work our amortization schedule down to 0, which is what we get right there in cell H19. Okay, that takes care of exercise 14.